Okay, so karibu kwenye episode number 2 ya Django REST API kwa kutumia open source programming language pamoja na frameworks kama MySQL, PHP, Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, MySQL, AJAX, jQuery, JSON pamoja na SYNCHRONIZATION. So this is the Django REST API na hii ni episode number 2. So this is a project, the sample demo. So hii ni Django API and this is a dashboard. So hii ni just a client side. Okay, so this is a client side ambayo ina fetch data from API. So hii ni just a documentation for frontend. So hii ni documentation ambayo ipo kwenye GitHub repository, and hii documentation for a backend ambayo ni Django. Okay, so hii ni just a Django REST API na objectives za video series ambayo tuziupload hapa YouTube ni how to create an API. So hiyo ni objective number 1, how to create an API and how to test API kwa kutumia software ya Postman. So this is a Postman, okay? So inatumika kwa ajili ya kufanya API testing, okay? Okay, so another objective is how to generate an API key and how to connect it to an API kutoka kwenye client side. Testing APIs using Postman, okay? How to create a client-side documentation for API integration. So what is documentation? The documentation ni document ambayo unaiandaa kwa ajili ya just wale client kuja kuconnect kwenye API. So this is for example a sample demo documentation, okay? So tutakuja kuona how to create it. Okay, so another is how to using AJAX to fetch data from APIs. So what is AJAX? AJAX is JavaScript based, asynchronous JavaScript and XML, okay? So hiyo inatumia XML object ku send AJAX request kwenda kwenye API kwa ajili ya kufetch data. Displaying data with Bootstrap components. So hiyo angalia hapa kwenye this is a client side. So hii ni just drop down arrow and hii ni just a list group items and this is a material buttons. So zote hizi ni Bootstrap components. So now check how to implement. Okay, so another handling API responses. Hey, API responses in JavaScript and jQuery as you see in Postman. Baada ya kusend request ya kuget data, now data zinakuja katika mfumo wa JSON objects. Again, hizi ni JSON objects. Vipi utaweza kuzihandle hizo JSON response? Implement secure API request. Okay, so API request unaweza kutumia API keys. Creating interactive user friendly interfaces. As you see, this is a backend API dashboard. Also ukiona hii ni just a material design and client side is materialized also. So hiyo ni user interface, friendly user interface. Finally, ndio check it out and level up your skills. Okay, so tutaangalia kuna concept nyingi za msingi ambazo tutaziangalia. So how to get started. Sasa maana unapo get started maana yake utakuja kwenye kompyuta yako. So this is my computer. Uta open local disk C for example. Kwenye local disk C hapa uta right click and choose a new, then choose new folder. So folder name is project for example. This is our project, so double click to open project. Hapa kwenye hii project address bar just select and write cmd kwa ajili ya kufungua command prompt. So now click enter and cmd itafungua kama hivi. So step number 1, make sure umeinstall tayari kwenye kompyuta yako Python. Now step inayofuata ni kuinstall dependency inaitwa Django REST framework. So tunatumia hapo pip, okay? So utaandika pip then leave space then install pip install Django. So pip install Django. So here pip install Django kama Django haja uinstall, so make sure that you install Django then space again install Django and REST framework. Django REST framework. Okay, so what is Django REST framework? Ndio unaweza kutuwezesha sisi kutengeneza hiyo API. Then leave space pylon. Okay, install pylon. Okay, so leave space. Another library ambayo tunataka kuinstall ni Django REST framework API key. So now let's right click Django, then REST, then framework, Django REST framework, then hyphen API, then hyphen key. Okay, so baada kuandika kitu kama hiko, una just click enter kwa ajili ya ku execute. So click enter to execute. Now soma tuje kusi kwamba Django itafanya installation ya Django and Django REST framework Pyro, okay, Django REST framework API key. So how many number of library? Django first library, REST framework second library, Pyro third library, and API key is fourth library. So kuna library nne ndio kuzistore. Okay, so after installation, okay, mimi nimeshafanya installation. After installation, another library to install is Django calls headers. Okay, so pip install Django. Okay, so leave space Django, then hyphen calls. Okay, then headers. After then click enter to execute. Okay, so ita install hii Django core header. Mimi nishafanya installation tayari. So now cancel sababu tayari nishafanya installation. So now nataka ku start a new Django web project. Nataka ku start a new Django web project, kisha tunaenda ku start a new Django web application. So now just write Django admin then start project, then space. However, project name is my project. Then you click enter to execute. So my project will be created. Okay, now switch to my project. Now switch cd is change directory to my project. Then I will create a new application. Okay, so now Python, then a manager.py, then start app name is my app. Okay, then you click enter to execute. So my app will be created. So after doing so, another step is to create a super user. Before creating super users, perform migrations. Manager.py migrate. So hapa itafanya migration. Okay, so after migration now I will create a super user. Okay, so Django Python manager.py, then create, then super user, then click enter. So provide a username, for example is my name, an email address leave empty, password empty, and okay, password is one. Okay, password again is 1, then you confirm password y, so y is yes. Okay, after doing so, now we run our server. So Python manager.py, then run server, then click enter. Now server and run. So now open web browser. So after opening web browser, for example, we hapa okay, after opening web browser, njoo katika address bar, then andika hii IP address. So IP address ilikuwa given hii hapa, then 127.0.0.1. this is a port number, Django port number. Okay, so this is a loopback IP address kwa ajili ya localhost. So now copy it, Control C. Okay, after copying now open a web browser and then paste and go. Now you can see Django may open. So now hapa katika hii address bar, so /admin, this is administration. So username is my name, and remember password to put 1. Now nimeingia kwenye Django administration. Okay, so another step is project setup. So now currently nipo hapa kwenye hii wa command prompt. So na current server na run. Now stop the server, Control C shortcut stopisha. Then here open Visual Studio Code. So shortcut, just write code then space dot and click enter. Now good, Visual Studio Code will be opened. After opening a Visual Studio Code, we are going to register application. So now click trust the author and yes, okay. Open my project, open settings. This is the settings. Okay, settings.py. Okay, on settings.py and find installed apps. Then hapa una register application. Now application name is my app, so just register my app. So register application. Another application ambayo tunataka tu register ni REST framework. So now register REST framework. So just write REST _ framework. Okay, good. Another is REST framework API key ambayo ni so now REST framework _ API _ key. Okay, another app ambayo tunaregister ni calls headers. So just write calls. Okay, calls then headers. Okay, so hapa tumeshafanya tayari registrations ya application zetu. So kwa register application, step inayofuata ni kuja huku chini kwa ajili ya kusajili media. So navigate somewhere hapa kwenye settings.py. So just write media _ URL. So media _ URL equal to, so inakuwa kwenye quotation then media. I'll just write here media. Okay, inakuwa namna hii. And media root, so let's write here media, okay, _root equal to base directory, then space / then space, then hapa just kuandika media. Okay, so kinachofuata sasa ni kuisajili this application hii hapa inaitwa core headers. Okay, so kuisajili kwenye middleware. Okay, so kuisajili kwenye middleware, so this is middleware hapa juu. So hapa juu tunaisajili. So kwa kusajili just tunaweka hii quotation, sasa tunaandika codes, okay, headers .middleware .c capital letter, okay, codes m capital letter middleware. Hapo tulikuwa tumesajili what core headers kwenye hiyo hapo middleware. Okay, so kama step inayofuata ni allow hapa, hapa allow hiyo middleware. So just hapa naandika in capital letter, just andika calls _ allow, okay, _ all origins. So now this one puts boolean expression, and the boolean expression is true. So hapa tumesha hii allow. So kile step inayofuata ni kuregister REST framework. So unakuja hapa chini, hapa mwisho kabisa hapa. So hapa chini tuna register REST and _ framework equal to, inakuwa kwenye dictionary. Okay, so this is a dictionary in Python, inakuwa namna hii. So let's to specify authentication. So now kwenye string, so just write default _ authentication _ classes. Okay, _classes. So hii equal to, so unaweka namna hii, then na put something kitu kama hiko. So hapa naweka kwenye quotation equal to REST framework, so like REST underscore framework, REST framework dot authentication dot class naitwa session. So now S ya capital letter, then session, okay, session A for ya capital letter sababu ni class authentication. Okay, so spelling, okay, authentication. Okay, so nataka kuallow default permission classes. So kuja hapa chini hapa, okay. So just write default underscore permission underscore classes iko ndio namna hiyo. So naweka hizo hapo colon, okay, so nafungua hizi brackets. So hapa naandika just kwenye quotation na kwa namna hii. So just write Django in small letter, so Django REST underscore framework API key underscore key dot permissions dot his API key kwa namna hii. Okay, so hapa tumeifanyia registration our REST framework. Hapa huko kwenye installed app to register REST framework pamoja na API key. So hapa tunaifanyia registration ya rules. So hapa tuna specify rules, okay, so just write this is the rules rules zote zile connect kwenye API lazima awe authenticated na lazima awe na key aweze connect. Okay, good. So another step is to create a model. So now save changes and try to run your application. We'll check for any errors, so run saver. Okay, so after running saver, now you can see there is errors and kuna errors. Let's troubleshoot and kuna vigeti kwenye source code somewhere. Okay, so this line goes out to terminate hapa, so just comma and save changes, Control S, and now come to run application. Sasa application yetu ina run, so let's refresh. Okay, so now you can see we have API key permissions. So I click API keys. Now you can see no such tables in the API keys. Okay, so what we need you to do is to perform migrations. So kuja hapa, okay, so now current ina run, so Control C shortcut ya kustopisha, then Python py, then make, okay, migrations, then click enter. Okay, no changes, then migrate. Okay, migrate, click enter. Okay, so migration inafanyika ya REST API key. Okay, so this migration imeshaenda kwenye database. So now run saver. Okay, so run saver. So now current saver na run. So we're going to web browser, now refresh. Now click it. Now you can see it's empty. Now you can add any API keys. When you click add, you write a name, date, time, and hapo unakuwa umeadd API keys. So also ni kuadd API key kwa ajili ya nani? Kwa lazima tutengeneze models. So now open our application, and our application is my app, and open models. Okay, so here I'll create models. Okay, tutatengeneza two models. Model ya kwanza itakuwa inaitwa document. So now hapa to create models. So now let's write class, then leave space, then D capital letter, document, then fanya inheritance. Okay, this is inheritance. Inheritance tunafanya models dot, then access class ambayo built-in inaitwa model. So leo tunafanya implementation ya hii class. First field will be title. Okay, so title and equal to models dot data type is variable character. Okay, so character field. Then maximum length is data size, so max. Okay, so choose the argument is 100 is maximum length. So another is description. So description, okay, equal to models dot t. So description nachukua maneno mengi, so T capital letter. Now choose this one, text field. Okay, so another is date registered. So that's right, created underscore at equal to models dot, now kwa access time, models dot time, date time. So date time field here ambayo nachukua date time field, and hii capture current time ambayo data imeingia, capture current time data ambayo imeingia. So hii itakuwa ni inajiingiza data yenyewe, so itakuwa ni automatic. Automatic. So just write auto now add, and here inakuwa ni true. Okay, boolean expression yake inakuwa ni true. Now another is image equal to models dot, now access image field, and now specify wapi images zitakuwa uploaded. So upload to, so here specify a path. Okay, so upload to inakuwa kwenye quotation files, kwa itakuwa ndani ya media kwenye files. So kisha unapeka nini? So kuna absolute path na kuna relative path. Okay, so hapa huruhusi kuweka hivi. Okay, so kuna absolute path na kuna relative path. Another is a document upload equal to models dot data type is file, kwa sababu hii ni document na tunatumia file, and this is a file field. Nachagua hii hapa, then nakutisha hapa arguments upload to, na kwa kwenye quotation upload to files, and files and then forward slash. Hii hapa inakuwa upload to image. Okay, so upload to image hiyo, and this is equal to, I'm sorry, so syntax error. Who upload this record? So we're gonna uploaded underscore by equal to models dot, I'll choose character field. Okay, then maximum length is 100. Naona kutengeneza function ambayo ita return title. Maana yake ni kwamba usipofanya hivyo, hii itakuwa na return id ili kuweza kuweka na maana ile return title. So just like def underscore is string. Okay, underscore then just save. Hii itakuwa executed each time unapokuwa na access hii model. So now return, then space, then save, dot field name what na return itakuwa ni title. title. So hii lazima ifanyie implementation, weka colon hapa. So hapo tumeshatengeneza tayari a mother table. So now I can put here a comment. This is the mother table. Okay, now we are going to create a child table. So now class document details. Okay, now let's copy this one, extend, this is inheritance, extend models dot model. Okay, so now tunataka kwamba hii itakuwa ni document, waisha document tunazo upload kwenye system, lakini hizi zitakuwa ni document details, yani maelezo yanahusiana na document. Kwa lazima maelezo ya reflect document, sika kwa sababu hii ni mother table. So hii ni child table, so this is a child table. So document details. So now here just document equal to models dot foreign, and choose foreign key, this one foreign key. Foreign key this inafanya reference ya table inaitwa document au model ya document. So just write here a document ambayo ni hii, then hapa also put related name. Okay, so related name unaweza kuput any name ambao sana unawishi related name. So related name is details. Okay, then argument inafuata ni referential integrity. Okay, so on delete, okay, equal to models, this one dot cascade. So hii tulichofanya hapa, tume create a foreign key. Okay, so this document is a foreign key, so let's put a comment, this is a foreign key. What is a foreign key? A foreign key ni primary key. This is the foreign key. A foreign key is a primary key of another table ambayo inatumika kwenye child table kuonyesha relationship. Okay, so what is cascade? Cascade manake on delete. Ukidelete item huku katika document, ukidelete itadelete na huku, ndo maana ya cascade. So hii inaitwa una force data togetherness, data iwe kwenye consistency, na hiyo umeforce referential integrity. Default constraint ni kwamba ukidelete huku haitafuta huku, that is a default constraint, lakini una force kwenda kinyume na hiyo default database constraint as well. On delete equal to models.cascade, or can be on up to date. Okay, or on delete can be no action. So this is what any referential integrity that you can set. Another field is another additional information. So additional underscore info equal to models dot character field, and maximum length equal to 255. And 255 is the maximum data size kwa character field. Another is the reference underscore number equal to models dot, now choose data type is character field, and maximum length is 100 is data size, and another attribute is unique equal to boolean true. So unique equal to true manake haihitajiki boolean equal to true manake haihitajiki hii ikajiduplicate, watakuwa uingiza unique reference number. Now status equal to models dot choose text field. Okay, and another is now tags, another field tags. Okay, hapo kwenye status equal to maximum length. Let's choose maximum length. Let's choose this is a character field, so choose this one as a character field, and maximum length let's put, sababu status na kuna mambo machache 50. Okay, another is category ambayo tulitaka tuisahau. Okay, so category equal to, so kwenye categories copy hapa. Okay, so copy it and paste. So remove data type here, put 100 kwenye category. Then tags equal to models dot text field. Okay, sasa kwa ajili ya kuputi tags. And another is, let's copy it, remarks. Okay, equal to models dot text field. So now tutengeneza function ambayo ita return hayo masala hapo. So now hapa let's copy this function. Okay, this one, and just come to duplicate here. Okay, here hapo. So now return, hapa kuna return. So return not safe, return f kwa ajili ya kuformat. Humu tuna put variable pamoja na string, ndio maana hii variable pamoja na string zinakaa sehemu moja. So now details for, then variable inakuwa ndani ya dictionary, na wewe sana put dictionary like this kwa hivi. Okay, so now hapa unaweza kuandika self dot document dot, okay, now choose title, this one. After doing so now after creating models, so okay, step inayofuata kwanza hii model mbili, step inayofuata ni migrations. So now open command prompt, now current server na run, now stop it, python py manage make what migrations. Okay, so unaposema make migrations maana yake ni kwamba nikija kwenye my project ni open migrations, now you can see I have only one migrations, okay, ambayo ni default. Now niki create another migration, now you can see itatokea hapo hiyo migrations. Now click enter to execute. So now as you see it create more migrations. Migration file is 001 initial.py. Okay, migration imefanyika kwenye table ya kwenye model ya document na document details. So when I open my project, file yenyewe ndio hili ambayo imekuwa created. Okay, so just click it, now you can see like function hii itakuwa up kipindi nafanya migrate. So now we need to migrate this file kwenda kwenye database na migration. So now open command prompt hapa. So now write python py migrate. Okay, migrate, then click enter. So migration imeshafanyika. So now another step is to register models kwenye admin. So ukija kwenye our site, so now just run our site, run server python py run server, and open our site and refresh our site. Now you can see models zetu hazionekani. Okay, so hazionekani, so we need to register. So open our application is my app, then open admin.py. So now here tunafanya importation. So from dot models import models. Okay, our model is document and document details. After doing so, now we need to register. So admin, natumia hii hapa admin. Okay, so now admin dot site dot register document. Again admin, okay, dot site dot register Wakati tuna register nini? Register document details. Yeah. So now save changes. Kwenye file, save changes. Now check your saver. Now good, no errors in current na run, and open browser. Now you can see we have document and document details. Okay. Good. Okay. So another step is to create serializers. Nikija hapa kwenye API key, when I click add API key, okay, so nikiklik hiyo button ya add API key na current server yetu ina run good. Okay, nikiklik add API key itakuwa tu add API key kwa ajili ya particular document. Okay, no problem. So current server na run. I think I need to create a serializers. So njoo hapa kwenye our app, my app, this one. So kwenye my app hapa tuna create serializer. Okay, so now right click, new file, then just write C. Okay, okay, Siri. Okay, serializers. Then file extensions .python, then file la Python. Okay, so hapa katika hii file create class kwa ajili ya serializers ya document na document details, zile model mbili. So first one is to import dependence. So from now REST framework, there's no suggestion, from REST underscore, yes, this one. Okay, framework import serializers. Okay. Now we need to access our models, document and document details. So ngoja kwenye serializers, no, from dot maana yake ni popote katika our Django application, popote ukikutana na models ilete ya application yetu. Okay, import everything, or import document and document details, the same again. So just import everything. Star is everything, or import all. Okay, now this is serializers for document. Okay, this is a comment ambayo just this is mother table. What is mother table? Mother table is table ambayo ina primary key. So class, tunatengeneza class inaitwa jina la document. Okay, document class is document, and then serializers. Then here I perform inheritance na perform ya serializers dot kama ujui options zinazofuata hapo, press control button, click backspace. I think you know option, lakini itakuwa ionyeshe option. Okay, so hapa tunachukua model. Okay, model serializer, I will create a class meta. For our class meta ambayo itakuwa executed automatic class, then model ambayo tunaikusudia hapa ni mother table mon document. Okay. Now fields ambazo fields so fields equal to so hii maana yake serializers ina function ya ku specify API key yetu ita send variable zipi. Hizo tunaziita ni parameters kwenda kwenye API client. Okay, so first one is ID. So ukija kuangalia hapa katika models, this is our document model, hakuna ID, no ID attribute. lakini by default Django ina create ID by default, kwa sababu Django kishaona hakuna primary key, by default inatengeneza primary key. Kwa tuna imani tayari kwenye database kuna ID, okay? So ID ni default na kuwepo tu. Another is title. As you see, we have title, description, okay? So when serializer tunaandika hiyo title, ni case sensitive sana because it's a variable, okay? Another is description. So now copy it, open serializer, okay? So now description. Unaweza kuchukua nyingine ni date, created at, okay? So now open models, now copy. Ni vizuri ukawa unazicopy hivi kwa sababu unaweza ukaandika ukakosea, baadaye usijue error imetokea wapi. Another is image, tuna send image pia. Tuna send image. Another is file, okay? So file, open serializers, file, and the last one is uploaded by, okay? So now copy it, now come here and just paste, okay? Good. So tumesha specify hizo hapo. So now we need to create a serializer for document details serializers. So now just copy it, and after copying hapa, okay? Hapa, okay? So now pasting hapa, just modify. So this is a document details. So model is document details, that is model. And fields, we have technique kadhaa. Ya kwanza, you need to specify all required fields, au unaweza kusema fields equal to all. So fields equal to, na kwanza kwenye string namna hii, underscore all underscore namna hii. So even hapa unaweza kusema fields equal to all, kwa sababu hapa na kusema fields equal to all maana inachukua zote, inachukua fields zote. Okay. Another step is to open view.py. So open view.py, this file. Now here we are going to specify a logics, and a view in a specify a logics, okay? So now hapa you will perform importation. So hapa tunatengeneza view for Django REST framework. Kwenye view kwa ajili ya perform operation. API inaweza perform CRUD operation ya create, kuinsert ndio create, update, delete. Hizo ni CRUD operations ambazo API inaweza ikafanya. Yani unaweza client anaweza akadelete kitu ambacho kipo kwenye API. So hizo zinaitwa ni business logics, zinafanyika kwenye views, okay? So from REST framework, import, this is a view set, I think this one. Ukitaka kuona kwenye view set, just position, just click control button and hold and click this position and click. I think press control button, view set is not accessed, okay, no problem. So to access we click it on your file. Again, import from REST framework underscore API key dot, yes, this one, permissions. Import his API key, okay, his API key, kama na API key. So now from dot models, kwenye model hizo tutengeneza zile model mbili, import model zote mbili, import all, okay? From dot serializers, okay? Import serializers ni class. Kwenye hii class ya serializers we have document serializers and document details serializers. Document serializers ni kwa ajili ya mother table or mother model ambayo inaitwa document or model. So this one is our model inaitwa document, ambayo tumeitengenezea serializer yake hapa. Another class is document details serializers, ambao tumechukua document details. So hapa sasa from dot serializers import, inaweza kusema import everything, okay, or import document details document serializers, comma document details serializers, zile class mbili ambazo nimekwisha pale. Now we need to create view set for mother table. So now this is a view set for mother table. So now for mother table, okay, so view set. So now class, this is the document, so we need document ni mother table, okay. So view hii ni user defined class, ipo popote, sio kafikiri kama ni call. So hii hapa ndo tunafanya just inheritance, tunafanya inheritance ya view set dot access model view set, this one, okay. So pick it. So now tuna specify logics, business logics here, okay. So query set, the first parameter equal to our model is document dot objects dot all. So here we just now fetch, hapa fetch data from database, okay, from database. So you can say query set equal to document dot object dot, you can say dot filter, or dot filter, in case unataka specify filter something, date range, filter id equal to this one, okay. So filter all objects, hakuna condition yoyote, maana hiyo ni. Another is serializer class, is another parameter equal to document serializer, and document serializer no s, okay. I think document serializers. Okay. Another is permission class, permission classes, not a class, permission classes equal to inakuwa ndani ya hizi hapa. So just write that API key. So here in apply permission, okay. So here ilikuwa ni for mother table. Now we'll check for child table. So now copy the same command and just come to just duplicate. So document details, so just rename it document details view set, query set equal to document details, ambayo ni nikibonyeza control nikaishikilia nikabonyeza this one itanipeleka kwenye hii hapa model tumei-create, okay. So this is good. Tuna fetch everything, okay. So serializer underscore is document details serializers, this one. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, this is the permission, okay. So now just cut it, permission classes, okay. Now paste it, okay. Again copy this command and just come to paste it somewhere else, this one. Now another step ni kwenye admin.py. Now we want to set API key authentication. So now open admin.py, hapa ambapo tu register model zetu. So now hapa tunaja kuimport another library. So from REST API key, this one, I'll choose this one, dot models. Kuna ina model yake kwa sababu hii ni application, umeona import API key. So choose this one. Okay. So now hapa kuna case mbili. Case ya kwanza unaweza kaandika kitu kifuatacho: admin.site.register register this model. So nikiclick itanileta hapa. This is the default file now ambao ina model yake default, na ukicheck file path ipo kwenye path ambayo ukiinstall library za Python zinaenda katika hii path. Okay, ukiandika ile pip install nini inaenda katika your local C, users, your name, computer name, app data, local programs, Python version, lib is library, is site packages. So now REST framework, models, API key. So hapa moja kuiregister kwenye admin.py API key. Now nikirani command italeta errors. So before running nikija hapa katika server, of course nikija kuirefresh hapa kwenye, so now current server where we just restart server. Now restart again our server. Now good. Now we can see error. Now the model API key is already registered. Uwezi kuiregister by default, ishakuwa registered, ndio hiyo error kwa naizungumzia. Kwa hii utaki kuiregister kwa sababu by default inakuwa already. So comment it. Now after commenting nikija run my server here, okay, reloading, good, ina run. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu API key ishakuwa registered. Okay, good. Another is to config URLs routing, perform routing. So now open our project and open, I think create hapa katika our application, click on my app, right click in new file and urls.py, then click. This is URLs. Kwenye hii URLs tunaenda ku perform routing, na routing kwenye REST API tunatumia default class inaitwa router. Okay, so now tulikuwa tu import hizo library. So now from REST framework, okay, dot access, just write R. Now you can see this one, routers. Okay, so import D capital letter default router. Okay. So now from dot views import, this is a view, import document view set and document details view set. Okay, import document view set, okay, and document details view set. This one we import. Now we want to create instance of router. Now we create a variable named router equal to now default router. So this is router is in an object. So create object. This is an object. Okay, create object into router. So now router for mother table. So this is comment for mother table, routing for mother table is document. Okay. Mother table yetu inaitwa document. Okay, so router dot register. Okay, now hata andika r and then unaweka hiyo quotation. This will be our routing API, document hyphen details, document details. I think document, so check document details tutakuja kuandika. So hapa tuna access our view is document view set, this one. Okay. copy the same command. I think copy this one and duplicate. So this one is for child table. Sorry, for child. Okay. Router.register. This is the document details. Hii kwa ni document, hii document details, na hii itakuwa ni document details view set. Now we're going to create our path. Okay, so URL, and I think is patterns. Yes, patterns. Yes, URL patterns. Then put this brackets. Okay, path. Okay, this one. Well, path inakuwa ni root, inakuwa ni root. So include I think here include include is built-in function router dot URL. URLs. So now path is not defined and include is not defined. So we need to register path and include. So we have katika importation, kwenye importation. So now from Django, this one dot URLs, now import path and include. This one, path and include, and choose this one. Now you can see now no error. So now save changes. Okay. So after doing so, another step is to register our application URLs kwenye project URL. Kwa sababu ukiangalia hapo, hii URL ni application, so project na yenyewe ina URL yake ambayo ni hii. Okay, sasa hapa ndipo tunaenda kuregister application. So from Django.urls import path, also tuna import include kama tulivyofanya kule include. Now hapa change this one from admin to dashboard. Okay, dashboard. Okay, and add another, register our URL. So hapa na just andika path equal to. Okay, so hii kwa makini, our path is API, then / and let's put here comma, then include put here include what? Our application name is my app. It's an application name. Include application name. Yes. Include application name is my app. URLs ipo ndani ya my app, so inakuwa ndani ya string. So include my app dot URLs. Now after doing so, tunaja ku another step ni kuwezesha hapa katika application. Kumbuka, yes, hapa kwenye models tutakuja kuupload document, yani tutakuja kuregister hizi data hapa kwenye document hapa, tutaupload file, tutaupload na image. Sasa ili ziweze kufanya kazi hizo, tunakuja kwenye URL ya project, tunaregister hicho kitu. Okay, so now from kwenye URLs, project URLs. Okay, so from Django, sorry, this is Django .conf .urls .static is that one. Then import static. Okay. So now if settings if settings dot debug. So debug inakuwa kwenye this one debug. Okay, so here hapo. So now when you check settings, settings is not defined, so we need to import. So ngoja hapa, yes, from Django.conf. Okay, so now import settings. So is just a comment. Let's remove this comment. Okay, so application editor start from here. Okay. So debug hapa unaweka colon, then sababu hii ni if condition unaifanyia implementation. Now URL patterns, now choose this one, then URL here hapa, then tuna include another. So hapa ndio tuna add other attribute equal to plus equal to static. That's this one. Hizo hapo bracket. So hapa tuna register media URL ili zile file zetu tutakazokuwa zina upload zionekane, kama picha tuione, kama ni PDF tuione. So now settings, let's choose settings dot media in capital letter, media underscore URL. So what is media URL? So position cursor, press control button, position cursor, click it, this one kwenye file hili. Okay, good. So hapa media URLs, that is the first argument. Another argument is document root. Okay, document underscore root, document root equal to, now choose this one, settings dot media root, media underscore root. I think media root nikija hapa katika settings.py. Okay, you're down somewhere, media root, of course here which I register. Okay, another step is to, I think is to create an to register data, to add data. So now log in kwenye Django admin, log in kwenye Django admin. So refresh it. Request, I think tulibadilisha URL hapa, just to remember kwenye project URLs from admin to dashboard. So now we need to access a dashboard. So now remove this one. So hapa ilikuwa tunaandika admin, but now is not admin, is dashboard. Then click enter. Now you can see application imefunguka. So now step unafuata ni register data, register your data, register information. Okay, so hapa click add. Hapa naweza nika add, or hapa naweza nika add what API key. So you go back hapa, ngija kwenye document hapa naweza nika add a document. Okay, nikija kwenye document details, unaona inafanya reference ya ile document kule. Kwa hiyo inakuwa ni just inakuwa ni primary key. So on hapa na name is department ambayo utaenda kuipa. So name, for example, human resource department, utaenda kutumia hii API. Nikia click hapa revoked, hii API haitaweza kufanya kazi kwa huyu ambaye nimemuassign. Expires, tarehe ambayo nitaspecify hapa, ikifika huyo mwenye hiyo key na hiyo mwenye huyo client hawezi kuiaccess, na that time ni muda ambayo ile key ita expire kwa name ambayo tumeiweka hapa. So after doing so, human resource department, for example, or any client ambao wame request, after then una specify expire date, okay, expire date and time also ya ku expire. Click save and add another. Now you can see the API key for name ambayo uliweka hapa, human resource department. Human resource department is, this is an API key. Please store it somewhere safe. You will not be able to see it again. So make sure that hii key just unaichukua, copy it and just open Microsoft Excel, for example, Microsoft Excel, and register that key kwenye kumbukumbu zako, okay? Kwenye kumbukumbu zako register that key. So after opening Microsoft Excel, I think Excel is currently opening. Okay, let's tumie njia ambayo ni short to open that one. So this is the listing of registered clients. Okay, lazima uwe na kumbukumbu. One is, for example, human resource department. Now key is this one, that is a key. Another is, let's close this one, Microsoft Excel, ishachelewa, okay. Another is, so open, so another name is marketing department, and date of expire date, let's put some date, okay. This date, time, and pick time. For example, this one, it expire key. Then click on save button or save and add another. Now this key is for human resource department. Now copy it. So is for department gani? Marketing department. So now it's marketing department. And key is this one. Now you can add more, add design, okay. Now nikija kubonyeza hii hapa API keys, now you can see list of keys. So this is as expired is yes. I think haifanyi kazi, haitafanya kazi. I need to change the date. Peleka tarehe mbele, for example this date, and just save to up to date. Now has it expired? No. Revoked? No. Okay. Another is registered document. So click add title. For example, this is a title. Description is blah 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 blah. Then you need to upload a file. File utakayo upload hapa ni file ambalo litaenda kwenye, so na click image, choose file, then just navigate. For example, this one hapa, just click it. Okay, tayari nitakuwa nimesha upload file image, then ngoja ku upload file. So just need, okay, so na upload file, and just find a file. For example, choose this file, okay. This one uploaded by my name, okay. After then click save. So that has been added. So come to document details, click add. So document tuna click na chagua ile document ambayo iko hapa kwenye document. Okay, so kwa sababu hii inafanya reference, so click it. Additional info, for example, reference number 4, status is new, category is adventures, tags you can put movie, okay, comma, sababu hizi ni tags na kwa sifa yetu ina comma, bla 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 bla, comma, bla 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 bla, comma, bla bla bla. Then remarks is good, for example, and click here. Come again in document. Now add more document, title, description, so on, and after then unakuja, so add more data. After doing so, another step is to test our API. So to test our API, we have two techniques. Technique number 1, by using a command line interface. Technique number 2, by using Postman. So kwenye another episode tutakuja kucheck how to testing our API kwenye another episode.